ADA, we start with 1 hour chart. Okay, first of all, if we refer to our analysis, since the price was within this move, we mentioned we're looking for the buy. The only things we wanted to get the correction and buy setup, and this is we get. And we mentioned the first target was 1.25, following by 1.275. We mentioned when the price take any of this level, this is where we start to manage. Anyway, anyone got the trade? No, at either they want to take the profit or move their stop loss to break even, because the price couldn't break the previous top. And in this case, we start with higher time frame. We start with daily chart. And as we can see, based on daily chart, still we are within this move. Because we want the price break and continue. If not, this one can turn the correction for the price to drop. Okay, that's why any trade we have to start to manage, because we have been looking for this correction. No, the only thing is we want to see whether the price can break the previous top and continue and take the next this level or not. Okay, in this case, we move to lower time frame. And as we can see, based on lower time frame, based on forward chart, the price couldn't break this top, because we mentioned maybe this one can tend to a correction in relative to this for price to drop. That's why any trade within this move we have to start to manage, because we mentioned as long as the price haven't broke the top or low, we are within this correction. And any trade within this correction, we have to have a proper management. And now the question is whether we get the correction for continuation or the price can reverse. That's why any trade, this trade, we have to, any trade within this move, we have to at least move our stop loss to break even. If traders, they want to keep the trade. If not, they take out the trade for profit. Then from there, if we get any trade setup from here, correction, we can look for next buy. If not, the price reverse, then we can see how the entire structure and the correction can form. Then from there, we can look for the next trade. Anyway, we don't have any trade set up right now, and the only thing is we want to see what we get here. Then from there, we can confirm for the next move. And as I mentioned, anyone get the trade from here within this, from this correction, at least they start to manage it. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.